Danny and I want to dive in and uncover some of the most new age smart city startups based in the US and fill you in on the ones you really need to hear about. So the first one on my list are Skycatch, a bunch of drone pilots looking to give something back across the South African savannah right up to the building sites of California. They've created an automated way to capture high-res aerial data without the need for piloting, to gather information that could be really useful for a city or region's development.
Shivvy, I read recently that solar makes up less than 1% of our global energy production. There's a clean energy startup called Sistine Solar who are trying to create aesthetically designed solar panels to encourage people to think of these as a design feature and hence boost uptake.
Danny, one component of smart cities is safety for citizens, right? The folks at Navdi have developed a transparent head-up display for your car that projects the info that you need as though it's floating 6 feet ahead of you. And given we're so hooked to our phones, this could be a really great way to cut distractions that lead to really bad accidents. Then there's Place I Live, which uses open data to give you really valuable insight into a neighborhood that you might be thinking of moving to. Paracosm, who use 3D mapping to recreate reality into the digital world, and Cobalt, a police software platform that helps real-time law enforcement.
Amazing. I've also heard of Blue Light, who've been featured in the White House's Smart City Initiative. And this takes the shape of an app that connects you to the fastest emergency help as soon as you need it. And On the Via, who allow you to do lab-grade chemical testing of water in minutes for harmful contaminants.
Wow. I found Civic Insight, who create visualizations that show a citizen how their city is changing over time by mapping information about buildings and construction projects. And all the ones that Danny and I have mentioned are just 1/10 of the amazing ones on our very long list. All in a day's work, right?